Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit a PDF on Adobe Acrobat. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then you can select a PDF. Now you can see that here the welcome PDF from Adobe Acrobat. Alright, and you have to click on the pencil at the bottom of the screen in order to edit PDF. So you can see that the third option is edit PDF, and you have to tap on the content to edit. So you can see that here you have several options like edit text, select all, delete, and so on. Subscribe to edit text and images. Alright, so you have to get the subscription in order to edit the PDF. So you have to click on the start trial premium tools for mobile, edit text and images on phone and tablet, export PDFs to Word, Excel or PowerPoint, so on and so forth. So yeah, you can start a 7-day free trial. After that you can select a subscription yearly, which the price is in RON for me, but it will appear in your currency. And after that the monthly, yeah, like the monthly is in dollars, like $10, something like that. And you can cancel anytime the subscription. So yeah, you can see that at the bottom of the screen there are some settings, but you cannot do that if you do not have a subscription to Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.